Hey guys, it's Rico, and in this video I'm going to talk about how I made over 100,000 euros with SEO in 1 year and how you can do the same. If you want to learn how to make money online with SEO, then watch this video until the end in a very focused way. If you learn something, pause the video, take some notes, because I'm going to explain you exactly and step by step how I built my SEO business from absolutely nothing. My SEO revenue in 2020 was divided into two main income streams, and that is one, my marketing agency, where I sold marketing services such as content creation, link building, auditing and consulting, and two, affiliate marketing, where I sold other people's products on my affiliate sites. And now I'm going to talk about each business in detail and how I started with no skills, no experience and no money. My first business generating more than 5 figures each month was my marketing agency, where I sold SEO services to local businesses as well as online clients. The funny part is that I had no professional experience in the marketing world, but I still managed to get some happy clients by creating awesome content and doing some link building. And this was essential to grow my skills, to upgrade my SEO skills and work on a lot of client websites. I focused on on-page and off-page work for my clients, and we worked with mainly retainers, where my clients, let's say, paid me 5,000 euros, and with those 5,000 euros I took over their whole SEO campaign and I improved their website as well as their rankings. In this way our clients of course got more traffic and in this way could earn more money. I have one client in my mind, he was selling CBD products. We could improve his monthly revenue from 50,000 to over 180,000 US dollars. So me and the team, we created a platform for the agency and for the clients where they could go to and buy their services in a productized way. I also have a separate video talking about exactly how I did this. But this way I had so much more freedom and time to focus on my affiliate sites. I created websites and generated a lot of organic traffic from search engines with SEO. This way I could redirect my traffic to other e-commerce shops, Amazon and info products, where I generated income with commissions for every sale that was generated by me and my affiliate sites. As an example, I had a German website where I talked about whirlpools and jacuzzis, and I wrote a lot of articles about which whirlpool is the best one to buy and which whirlpool is the best for a garden, for indoor, and several topics like that. And in those articles I said that this whirlpool is the best one, and I inserted an affiliate link that was redirecting to Amazon, where the people could buy this whirlpool. And when someone clicked on this link from my website, Amazon knew that this person came from me. So whenever this person bought something within the first 24 hours on Amazon, I got paid at least 2% and up to 12% depending on the category. But for whirlpools it was something like 6% because it was in the garden category. And I must say that Amazon is paying a relatively low commission rate compared to other affiliate networks out there, but still Amazon has a very high conversion rate, so people that are clicking on your Amazon affiliate link, they are very likely to buy the product. And this is what I did in a lot of different categories. I created multiple websites at the same time in different categories: kitchen, garden, credit cards, other financial products, info products, cryptocurrency exchanges, and especially those digital products, they had two very big benefits. And that is one, that the commission rates are much higher than, let's say, Amazon. There are some affiliate partnerships that pay you up to 90% of the selling price of the product for each sale that you're generating for them. Especially in the financial world, businesses are willing and capable of paying you a very high and long commission because they know their customer lifetime value is very high. Because if someone orders a credit card, it's very likely they are using this for many years, and this way the financial institution makes money on each credit card transaction. So it's very attractive and lucrative for affiliates to work in those niches, but also at the same time, logically, it's very competitive. A lot of good and big SEOs are working in financial niches and categories, and that's why I would recommend, especially if you're a beginner, to start off with some easier categories such as inflatable whirlpools and jacuzzis like I did. This is actually one of the best advice that I could give for a beginner that just wants to make money online, and that is to create a very good professional business in a very small and fancy niche, and then you can grow from there. But if you start off with something very small that not a lot of people are interested in, but those people that are interested in this small niche and category, they people will love you, and your goal is to be the number one go-to place for people that are interested in this topic, and then in 1-2 years you can scale from that and grow into something bigger. A lot of people don't realize that you don't need big numbers in order to have a profitable and big business. There is actually a quote in the SEO world, and that is called "The riches lie in the niches," which basically means that there can be a lot of money made in even small categories. Also, there are even affiliate business models out there where you get paid for every lead that you generate. So you don't even have to sell a product in order to make money with SEO. You just have to take a look at the cost per acquisition that you will get. So what are the companies willing to pay you for each lead that you're generating? And then you can count this up and start your own lead gen SEO business. Also, what I realized creating a lot of different affiliate websites and projects here and there is that I thought I will have some big successes and some sites that will not generate any money and just die. But there is no site, well, mostly no site, that generated no money at all. All of the sites were making decent money, and that is just because not a lot of people are taking advantage of SEO. There are a lot of people that say SEO is dead and SEO is not working anymore, but then there are some people that realize that there is still a lot of money that can be made from SEO, from affiliate marketing, from SEO agencies and everything. So those people that take advantage of this, they will make a lot of money and other people will just talk about it. The most important thing is consistency as well as patience. SEO is not a thing that will make you a millionaire tomorrow. It takes some patience because Google needs to understand your website first, and you need to make some optimizations and create more content, optimize that content, this and that, but I have different videos talking about that. But once your SEO business is set up, it is a passive money-making machine. Obviously, I can't talk about how to create a website and a lead gen business and an affiliate site in this small video. This video is just showing you how I made 100,000 euros with SEO last year and how you can do this as well. I have different videos where I talk about how exactly to set up those businesses, but this video was just about giving you an idea of what is possible and what the potential of SEO is still today. Now, coming to a conclusion and talking about 2021, my focus shifted from agency, from affiliate marketing into building an actual company with an investor. And we are using SEO as well as a leverage for this company and this business. So as you can see, it is possible with discipline and perseverance to go from zero experience and no projects, no clients, to building an actual company with venture capitalism. So if you want to learn more about marketing and more professional ways of doing your online business and making money online, subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and I see you in the next video.